Actually, things are going really well. Teachers in all subject areas are having to juggle, having students online, students in your classroom, and then seeing different students every day. So doing the digital synchronous learning has been a challenge, but the kids are adjusting really well, and they're getting on and they're responding. So I think for the most part, we're really happy with how it's going. For me, most of what we do here can be done at home. And that's just a little more work on my part, making sure that they can access everything. So if we are working on any kind of music, that's making tracks that I record on the piano and send home to them. We've created a whole calendar's worth of workshops for this 9 weeks and next 9 weeks, in which they are getting free dance classes every single week. We can social distance, we can go outside, we can make that safe. We've got how-to workshops on writing your theatrical resume and auditioning, professional, stage managers piping in, and those are all available to our kids both in person and via Google Meet. So if we've got a virtual student who doesn't feel comfortable coming to school, they still have the same opportunity to participate. And so they can log on that Google Meet and learn about all the things that we're going to do this semester. We've branched out to acting for the camera for those kids, lighting, sound, stage combat. We've got a little bit of everything. So I just had to really get creative with bringing those people in digitally to work with the kids and what I was doing with the kids after school. So
it's a little bit weird because I'm used to seeing everyone and seeing all the excitement, and now it's like I barely hear it through the computer screen.
It's just really strange because being in school all the way from preschool to now, you have like this preconceived idea of what the perfect senior year is like, and then to come into school wearing a mask, only seeing half of your friends, and only getting to be here 2 days a week is kind of upsetting, but I understand why we have to do it, and I would rather everyone be safe than get that perfect idea of a senior year for myself. And you just click the little meeting link and you can talk to your teachers. And it's very new, but everybody's adapting really well. And it's made it really easy, especially the at-home days. I was really afraid nobody was going to be able to get on, but I've been able to get into all my classes and talk to my teachers, and it's been really nice.
I'm really glad that I can still be able to be a part of the class without actually actually being there.
It's not the same, but we have not tapped out of this game. We are not gone. We are still here.